morning students. Today we are going to learn a new Vyanjan in our class. This class. First we need to read these words. Which picture is this? Tell me. Na, now. Na, now. Now आपने देखी है. It will used in the seas and rivers to go somewhere from one place to another. It's a na, now. Next picture, na, null. Na, null. You are using the tap while you use to wash your hands. Na, null. Next, na, nashpati. Na, nashpati. It's a fruit. It's a healthy fruit. Na, nashpati. Na, neela. Na, neela. Which color is this? It's a blue color. Na, neela. So today we are going to learn about the correct formation of Hindi Vyanjan. Na. We are going to learn about the Vyanjan na. So today, as we know that there are 5 lines in our Hindi notebook, 2 red lines and 3 blue lines. So what is the correct formation of na? We are going to learn for these 3 blue lines. First, put pencil on your first blue line and make a papa stand till the third blue line and stop. First blue line, put a pencil on your first blue line and make a papa stand till the third blue line and stop. After this, put pencil on your second blue line and make a baby sleep on the second blue line and then stop. Papa stand from the first to third blue line, baby sleep on the second blue line and then stop, and make a small curved line from second blue line, baby sleep starts and then make a curve till the second blue line and then stop. Papa stand, baby sleep and curved line and put a baby sleep on the papa stand only and then stop. Baby sleep and then stop. Papa stand, baby sleep, curved line from on the second blue line only and baby sleep on the papa stand. So it is a correct formation of Vyanjan na. So as we know, what is the correct formation? If you write like this, it is a correct formation? No, it is a wrong formation because it will not go above from the second blue line. It will wrong formation. Second, if you write like this, it's a wrong formation or a correct formation? It is a wrong formation. It's a wrong formation because it is not go and touch the blue line. It will wrong formation. If you have to write this, it is a correct formation or a wrong formation? It is a wrong formation. It's a wrong formation. If you write like this, it is a wrong formation or a correct formation? It is a wrong formation. It's a wrong formation. What is the correct formation? Papa stand from the first to third blue line straight, then stop. Put your pencil on the second blue line, baby sleep and make a small circle and then stop on the second blue line. It will not come on above the second blue line. It will touch the second blue line only and then baby sleep. It's a correct formation. It is a correct formation. Again we will write Papa stand from first to third blue line, baby sleep, curve, and then stop, and put a baby sleep only on the Papa stand, not on the complete or further. So it's a correct formation. Next, Papa stand from the first and third to third blue line, baby sleep, small circle, and a baby sleep only on the Papa stand, and it is a correct formation. So you have to follow the correct formation of step 1, Papa stand, baby sleep, small circle on the baby sleep, Papa stand, baby sleep, curved line, and then small baby sleep on the Papa stand only. So it will be the correct formation. You have to follow the correct formation step by step. Thank you.